Okay, students, in the last video, in this chapter, that is chapter number 6, determiners, I had explained to you about the determiner, about the kinds of determiner that was articles a and the. Okay, so today I will be explaining to you the rest of the determiners. So let's come to the next one, possessive determiners. So possessive determiners, they come before nouns and represents the relation or possession. Okay, and these determiners only they are determiners only when they are followed by a noun. So what are the determiners which are used as possessive? My, our, your, his, her, their and its. So these pronouns are of possessive case. So let's look at the examples. Her clothes are very neat and clean. So her is a possessive determiner. Our class students are very helping and caring. Your brother is too young to take this responsibility. So these words, her, our, your, my, these are determiners which are used to specify who a object belongs to. Okay. The next determiner is demonstrative determiners. So let's learn about this. This, that, these and those are demonstrative determiners. They are used to specify the position on any object from the subject's point of view. And also they are determiners only when they are followed by a noun. Okay. Now this or that are used with singular noun. That means which is pointing out only for one single thing. And these, THESE, or those are used with plural nouns. Okay. Remember this. Now some examples. This book is mine. These clothes are ours. I do not like that. Those notes are yours. So it is pointing out the subject. Okay, it is used to specify the position of any object when it is pointing out any kind of object. So this is known as demonstrative determiners. Next come to numeral determiners. Now numerical determiners may be classified into three types. What are those? Definite, indefinite and distributive. So the characteristic of definite determiner is that it tells us the exact numbers. So just like 1, 2, 3, first, second, both, etc. Okay, both means 2. Indefinite, that means they do not tell us the exact number. So what are those? Some, many, few, all, several types. It is just I'm just telling you in brief. Then distributive numerals, so that is it refers to each one of a number. Okay, it refers to each one of a number. So what are the words used for this? Determiners used for this are each, every, neither, either. Now let's come to numeral determiners, that is definite and indefinite, little more briefly. Definite determiner is used to represent certain numbers. For example, he has 2 books. The first girl in the second row is my cousin. So you can see here the determiners 2, first, second, all these are representing certain numbers. Then indefinite numeral, it is used to represent uncertain numbers. That means it doesn't tell us the exact number. Look at the examples. There are some notes on the table. Many girls are absent today. I have read few. She gave me all the grapes. So some notes. So it is, we cannot just assume how many notes. Many girls, it may be 10, it may be 12 also. Okay. So these are the example of indefinite numerals. Then the next classification of numeral is distributive numeral. It is used to represent a group of people or thing. A group of people or thing, that means each one of a number. So look at the examples. Every human being on the earth dies. Each boy likes to play game. Neither plan will work for sure. So here the determiners every, each, neither are all distributive numerals. Okay. Next comes to quantitative determiners, determiners of quantity. These determiners are used to indicate the quantity like some, any, no, much, more, less, little and many. These determiners are known as quantitative determiners. Now look at some examples, you can understand it. There is still much water in the lake. Some boys are playing in the top floor. I don't have any answer for your question. Emma has no sense how to talk with others. The hope for success is little. You had made many mistakes in the past days. So the determiners are here much, some, any, no, little and many. Clear? The last one, interrogative determiners. Now there are 3 interrogative determiners in English grammar. You must remember what, which and whose. They are used to frame question, and also they are used before nouns to ask questions. So that's why they are called as interrogative determiners. Clear? Determiners usually ask questions about a noun and are followed by the noun. Now some examples, just like whose pen is this, which book do you want, what color does she like. So these are a few examples related to interrogative determiners. So once again children, I would like you all to go through the book once again. You must be little serious while reading the textbook. Read all the examples equally. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.